Most people get this wrong. They think all sleep apps are the same. But the surprising truth is that Prime Sleep Recorder doesn't just track your sleep, it actually analyzes patterns and helps you understand your rest quality in ways other apps often miss. Here's my honest review. Prime Sleep Recorder is a mobile app that records sounds while you sleep, like snoring, talking, or disturbances, and pairs that data with sleep cycle analysis. When I used it for a week, I discovered that I was waking up multiple times without remembering it. Seeing this pattern helped me adjust my bedtime routine and improve my overall sleep quality. The app is very easy to use. You just start a recording before going to bed, place your phone nearby, and the app captures sleep sounds. In the morning, you get a detailed report that shows sleep cycles, interruptions, and even a snore score. Unlike some apps that just give a vague good or bad rating, Prime Sleep Recorder shows actionable data. One feature that most people overlook is the trend tracking. You can see how your sleep evolves over days and weeks and correlate poor nights with lifestyle factors like late caffeine or screen time. This is extremely valuable if you're trying to improve your sleep habits or deal with mild sleep issues. The free version is sufficient for basic tracking, but the premium plan unlocks advanced analytics, unlimited recordings, and personalized insights. For anyone serious about understanding their sleep, it's worth the investment. In conclusion, Prime Sleep Recorder is perfect for people who want more than just a sleep timer. It's easy to use, provides real insights, and can help improve your rest over time. Subscribe for more honest reviews of apps that actually make a difference in your daily life.